Godrej Smart Care, professionals at your call.
In this video, we will see the connection of 55-liter solar panel machine. So this is the connection which is coming from solar panel and which is going to the machine. And one is the negative. So while making connection, we need to ensure that this red black wire is positive and which should go to the red black wire from the machine. So this is wire which is coming from solar panel and this is wire which is going to the machine, red black wire which is positive one. And second wire is negative which is minus voltage, and this is the black in color. So we need to make sure the connections of the power. After the solar panel, connections is going to this switch. This connection is coming from the solar panel and this is connection is going to the bridge. So this is the bridge where connection is coming from the main switch, and after this bridge, this 32 volt like 24 volt DC to 32 volt DC connection will be going to the capacitor. So this is the 1 lakh MFD capacitor. So after this bridge, one connection is going to the capacitor, one is going to the compressor. So here we can see, so these are the connections. So one is the capacitor and second connection is going to this compressor, and third is this connection is coming from this bridge only. So this is third connection. So this is bridge where all live and neutral connections are connected. We will see one by one. So this is red and black connection. So this is black connection which is coming from mains. So after switch, it is connected here, and one red terminal is going to the fuse. So this is red wire and this is black wire which is coming from main switch. And again after this fuse, so basically this is fuse, this is SPD, surge protector. So after this fuse, the red wire is going here, and this live connection is one by one connected to compressor, PCB and to capacitor. So this second wire is going to compressor. So this you can see here. The second one, this is small wire which is going to PCB, and the third is going to capacitor. Likewise, the black wire is also going to capacitor, PCB and compressor. So first is going to this capacitor. So this is capacitor black connection. So middle is PCB and this third one is for compressor. So here the red connection is also going to the SPD. So this black third wire is going to SPD, is shorted here. Yes. So this red wire is going to compressor. This red wire is going to PCB. And this red wire is going to the SPD. You can see here, this wire is shorted here. This is going to SPD. This black wire is going to compressor. This black wire is of SPD. Second one is of SPD. And this thin black wire, third one, is going to PCB, and this is coming from mains, black wire. So basically the bridge help us to connect the live and neutral connection. So this is PCB assembly. So this connection is coming from the bridge, which is the input DC voltage to this controller PCB. This is sensor connection, and this is the feedback from the compressor. So this 2-pin white connection is coming from the compressor. So this is nothing but the feedback, and this is the connection for the LED. So this wire is for the LED, and this LED shows that compressor on condition. So this is showing the green color, so which is LED is emitting right now. So it shows the input is going to the compressor. So now, so this is compressor connection. So this connection is coming, this upper 2 connection is coming from the bridge. So this is live, which is 24 to 32 volt DC. So this connection is 12 volt output from this compressor controller to the DC motor. So this is DC motor. So 12 volt output is going from this controller to this DC motor, and this is communication cable which is connected in the PCB. So this is how the connection of 55FF DC model.
Still, if you have any doubts, you can contact us.